Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create from this is before, this is after. If you love content like this, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share, and let's get into the video. So the first thing, like I always do, the first thing I go to the edit. Since we want to change this from a day setting to night, so we play with the light. We go to the light. The first thing we do, we reduce the exposure to around 2. I want it to be more dark because come on, you can't see a moon in the morning, it's in the night. So the contrast, increase it to around 13 is fine. Then highlight, let's take it to 39 is okay. Shadows, yeah, take down the shadows more, this is fine. Then the whites, I'm just taking down all this so that it will look very dark, not a little bit, very dark, because this, okay. So this is what we did to the light. We are just reducing everything because of the settings we are going for. Then to my curve, first of all, I'll go to my red. I'll reduce this, take this down, the shadows down, then bring down this, bring down the midpoint, then the highlight. I don't want red there. I'll go to my green. I'll do the same thing. Take this down a little, okay. Then the midpoint too, I'll reduce the green. I don't want green there. Then my blue, then I'll increase the blue. Come on, it's the night and I want blue to be there a little bit, you know. I want the shadows to have this blue. Okay, I think this is I'm just playing around with the settings. You can choose to, if you can get any picture that is already night, that has a night view, then you'll be fine. But since this picture doesn't have a night view, I'm trying to make it have this night view. Okay, fine. This is before, this is after. I think we are getting somewhere. The next thing we'll be going to is the colors. Then we'll go to the white balance, the temperature minus 39, okay. Then the tint 22. Vibrant plus is fine. Then saturation 10. I think this is given already. Then I'll go to my mix. Then I'll be touching just for the orange, the yellow, the light blue and the dark blue. The orange, the hue, let me increase the hue a little, plus this saturation, reduce it a little. Then this luminance, I'll reduce it very well. Then my yellow, I've increased the yellow, this plus 16, reduce my saturation. Then the luminance, okay, this is fine. Then the light blue, I will increase it. Then saturation, reduce it. Then the luminance, I'm taking the luminance down, okay. Then my dark blue, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to make the night view look more realistic. We're just creating a night view, okay. So this is before, this is after. Then the next thing we are doing, we are going to get the moon. Go to our mask, click on our plus, then click on radiant this radial gradient, because the moon is spherical, so we want to get, okay, see, let me zoom in a little so you see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to fine-tune the moon, okay. Now this is the moon we're looking for. Then going to the settings of the moon, we'll click on our light, increase it a little, plus 80. Then our contrast to plus 65 or so. Increase this, the highlights, the whites, reduce the white, okay. Then the blacks, increase it. As you can see, our moon is forming. Then we go to our color, increase the temperature around 83 or 84. Go to our effect, then reduce the minus 91. This one to minus, take it down a little more. Then the haze, our moon is kind of dark, so let's increase the temperature. As you can see, we've gotten our moon, but the next thing we are going to get is the reflection. That will make it look more realistic. So we'll go to our radial gradient again. Now we'll drag this around the moon. I want it to go more, okay. Let's increase our moon a little bit. Okay, so now
back to the reflection. We'll go to the light, increase the exposure around 2 point something, 2 point, yeah, this is okay. As you can see, we are getting there. Then go to our color, our temperature, will increase it to 100. Yeah, I love this one. Then tint, will increase it. Saturation, will increase it. Then go to our effects. Our effects, the texture, the clarity, then the layers. Yeah. Then what I do most of the time is to increase the reflection. As you can see, this is before and this is after.